me? There we go.
Okay, good.
We've got, this is like grow room number 2, where you've got these, looks like second gen lighting ballast deals, LED, over growing table platforms. There's no tables or bins, those are somewhere else, or even if they're not, this room. And the thing is, the walls, this is all made out of plywood, 2x4 construction. This is a room within a room that the winter can take down the whole flipping room. Every piece of wood, every grow table. I can't figure out how to turn the lights on. We will eventually, but this is part of it. You just take it with you, which is why we're giving you a week on this thing, maybe a few days more if needed. But this room has air handling and everything. So there you go, it's part of your bed. Abandoned cannabis grow operation.